Hello, Hornet Bluebonnet readers. This one is called The Canyon's Edge by Dusty Bowling. And in it, our main character, Nora, is celebrating her birthday, but it's not necessarily a great celebration because a year before this, her mother was killed in a terrible shooting in a restaurant. And she and her father have been living with the grief of losing her mother for about a year. Okay, so this has been going on. Her dad is worried for her safety because this happened to her mother. He won't let her go to school. He's homeschooling her. They don't really go out very much. And it's coming around on a full 1 year anniversary of her mother's death. And also it's going to be her birthday. And so he decides that they can go out hiking, and in particular, go visit one of these canyons. Now I can't remember what they're called, but it's a certain kind of canyon where there's just a very narrow split between in the canyon, but you can climb down, rappel down, and then you can explore the bottom and then climb back up. And her father and her mother were big rock climbers and hikers, and they've taken her with them since she was a little baby. So this is something she's familiar with too. And her dad takes her to do this because it's her birthday and he wants to do something for her. And he feels like this is safe because other people won't be around, because he still is dealing with the grief of losing his wife and sort of in shell shock because of the way that her death happened. Okay. So they go to this canyon, and they ravine down into this narrow canyon. And they're walking along, sort of exploring, and all of a sudden a huge rainstorm comes along. And during monsoon season in this time, it can rain really quickly and just dump a lot of water. And when it does that in a canyon like this, what happens is the water comes up here because it has nowhere to go. And if you're down here, you can get swept away, you can drown, and that's what happens. She is able to climb up to a ledge kind of over here, but her dad is not, and he is swept away in the wash of water. And now she's on her own, and she's lost her backpack, which has her supplies, her water, and she has to make her way to try to get back to the car, or at least to go in the direction that her father was swept in, to see if she can survive and get out of this mess that she's in. It's a really interesting book. The first part of it is in prose, and then once the monsoon happens, you'll see that the book switches to verse, so poetry. It's a really interesting read. She does a lot of cool, Dusty Bowling does a lot of really cool things with the type and how the words are on the page as to what's going on with Nora. And the other thing that we get to experience with Nora is not only this fear of if she's going to survive and all of the things that she knows about hiking and her survival instincts kicking in, but we also get to be sort of alone with her and her thoughts. And so we get the backstory of what happened to her mother and the grief that she's experienced, and what she's really afraid of, and how this awful killing of her mother has really affected her life. Okay. So I know it seems like it's a really sort of a downer book, and it is a really hard topic and some really hard stuff that she's dealing with. But at the end of the book, we see her start to trust herself again, and we see her start to pull herself out of this sort of depression that she's been in since her mother has died, and to start to see that maybe she's going to be a survivor and maybe she's going to be okay. It's really good. The writing is so lovely. It's beautiful writing. The poetry is wonderful. So this is The Canyon's Edge by Dusty Bowling.